Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are a student under Makaut, then you know that exam season is coming and so it is the pressure. We all want that 9 plus CGPA, that feeling of success, that relief when the results are declared and your name shines among the toppers. But let's be honest, many students work hard yet they don't reach that mark. Why? Because they study without a proper plan, without direction, without understanding how Makaut system actually works. In this video, I am going to share with you a complete 2025 smart study plan. The same strategy used by toppers across branches, whether you are in CSE, IT, mechanical, civil or electrical. We will talk about how to prepare smartly for theory and lab papers, the secret 60-20-20 rule to boost your CGPA, how to revise in the last 7 days, how to handle Viva, internal marks and stress, and how to develop the mindset of a consistent topper. So grab your notebook and sit back and let's unlock your 9 plus CGPA formula for Makaut or semester 2025. At first, understand Makaut's marking pattern. Before you start studying, first understand how marks are given. Your final marks equal internal plus external. Internal marks is kind of, you can say, 30 from the class days, attendance, assignments and practicals. External marks 70 from the university semester paper. So if you maintain your internal marks well, you already have a head start. Even you score full 20 to 30 marks internally, you need just around 60 to 65% in the semester to cross the 9 CGPA easily. Attend your classes regularly, not just attendance, but to stay updated on what topics teachers emphasize. Because many times the same topics appear in your university paper or Viva questions. Also, build good relations with your professors, be respectful, submit your assignments on time and clear your doubts early. It all adds up when it comes to internal evaluation. So now the 60-20-20 study formula. Now that you know how marks work, let's talk about how to study smart. Most students study randomly. They pick one topic from unit 1, then another from unit 5 and end up wasting the time. Toppers follow a simple method, the 60-20-20 rule. Here is how it works. 60% means the core concepts. Focus on the most important chapters from each subject. Usually every subject has 2 to 3 high weighted unit. These are repeated every year. Then 20% previous year questions. Makaut papers are pattern based. If you solve the last 5 years papers, you will easily understand kind of questions that repeat. 20% the revision notes. Your short notes are your biggest weapon in the last week. So rather than reading every chapter blindly, focus on the key areas where you get the maximum marks in the minimum time. Okay, so now the important topic, branch wise study plan. So let's now go subject wise and branch wise. For CSE and IT students, prioritize the data structure, DBMS, operating system, computer network and OOPS. Make short notes of all algorithms and their time complexities. Practice 2 to 3 previous year question sets before the exam. Watch channels like the Get Smasher, Netso Academic, Jigs for quick revisions. For practicals, practice the basic C, C++, Java, SQL and Python problems daily. For mechanical and civil, focus on derivation, formulas and unit conversion. Practice drawing diagrams, solving the numericals daily. Revise the important derivations laws before the exam day. The examiners love conceptual clarity. For labs, learn the apparatus, name, principle and observation formula. For ECE and electrical, make formula sheets for circuit, control system and electronics. Revise through short videos and solve numerical type question. Understand how the practical use cases, like how a transistor or rectifier works in real life. For first years, basic science and engineering, don't ignore the subject like the physics, chemistry and math. Solve previous year numericals, focus on derivations, definitions and short concepts. For programming papers, practice small code snippet daily. So now another important topic, how to prepare for practical and Viva. Many students lost 10 to 15 marks in lab exam, not because they don't know, but because they are panic. Here is how to score full. Complete your lab manual or file properly. Keep it neat with all readings and graphs clear. Understand why you are doing each experiment, not just the steps. Teachers often ask what is the principle behind this or what will happen if you change this condition. Answer confidently and logically, even if you are not 100% sure. During Viva, confidence matters more than memorization. Speak slowly, clearly, and maintain the eye contact. Remember, examiners are there to test your understanding, not to fail you. Okay? Another topic, 7-day revision strategy before exams. The perfect 7-day plan before your semester starts. Day 1 to 3, you should revise all the important topics and short notes. Focus on the subject, one subject per day. Day 4 to 5, solve past papers and practice writing answers within the time limit. Day 6, focus only on weak areas. Revise formulas and definitions. And day 7, don't study new topics. Do light revision, relax your mind and sleep well. Also remember, sleep is a part of your study plan. A tired brain cannot recall even the best prepared answers also. So now, mindset and time management. You cannot get time plus CGPA with stress and anxiety. You need balance. Make a simple daily timetable. 6 hours of focused study, 2 hours of rest and entertainment, 8 hours for sleep and 1 hour for exercise or meditation. It is not about studying 14 hours. It's about consistent focus every single day. Also avoid overthinking. Stop comparing your progress with others. Everyone has a different pace. Your only goal is to be better than yesterday. Okay? So friends, now you have the complete roadmap for your Makaut or semester examination 2025 exam. Remember, getting 9 plus CGPA is not impossible. It's about being a genius. It's about being organized, consistent and disciplined. Keep your internal marks high. Study smart using the 60-20-20 rule. Revise and stay calm during the exam. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Every topper you know started just like you. Confused, nervous, unsure. But they stayed consistent and that's what made them successful. So start today. Even if you study just 2 focused hours daily, you are already ahead of half of the batch. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends and comment your branch below. Let's help each other score better this semester. And don't forget to subscribe for more Makaut tips, study strategies and motivation every week. This is your year. Make 2025 your best semester yet. And all the best, and I will see you in the next video.